In this demonstration, I'm going to show how to set the minimum field width for output by using the setW manipulator. This is the first of several examples we're going to look at in this section of the training. This particular function is called demo field width, and I've defined it in this other file here. So as you can see, I've defined a simple message, Wibble, and then I output that message 3 different times. On the first occasion, I don't use setW at all. Therefore, you can imagine it'll just output a square bracket, followed by the text, Wibble, followed by the closed square bracket. If I run the application, you can see that's what it looks like. A square bracket, Wibble, and a closed square bracket. So that's good. Come back in the code and have a look at the second output. Now in this output, I do use setW, and I should just re-emphasize at this point, when you use standard manipulators that take parameters, like setW, you have to include the io_manip header file. That's the header file that defines the parameterized manipulators, such as setW. So we output in a field width of 10, the text Wibble. The minimum field width of 10 will be right justified. So what we'll see output is a square bracket, and then in a field width of 10, the next item, which is the message, right justified in that field width of 10 spaces, followed by the closed square bracket. So I'll run the application, and that is indeed what we see. A square bracket, a field width of 10, and then within that field width, right justified, we have the next value, the text message, followed by the closed square bracket. Good, good. Finally, the last bit of the example emphasizes the fact that setW is the minimum width, but it doesn't cause truncation. So as you can see here, the width of set is actually too small for the message. Wibble is 6 characters, but I've set a field width of 4. In that case, the minimum width is ignored. It doesn't truncate, it'll just output the text as you would normally expect. So I'll run the application just to show that again. And you can see that it hasn't truncated the text message here. So that concludes this short example. Just a few points to pick up. Remember to include the header, io_manip. That is required for the parameterized manipulators. And remember that setW sets the minimum width, but it doesn't cause truncation.